Hello, my name is Jose from Insync Engineering, and today we will be showing you how to replace your old keypad with the new Insync Engineering keypad. First and foremost, you'll want to shut off your heater completely. For the second step, you'll want to remove the two screws holding the front black panel to the heater as shown. Next, you'll be unplugging all cables attached to your keypad assembly. Make sure you remember where they go. So you may be unplugging cables coming from here, 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 and the sensor right up here. And once you've done that, you'll want to free it up from the panel you're holding by taking off these four screws from these four locations here. After this is free, you'll want to disassemble from the back, starting with these two, this one here, and this one right over here. After we've done that, we will want to take this plastic housing off. Of course, I've used a circuit board that has been fried. Just as an example, of course, yours won't look like this. Next, we will be unplugging your old keypad from this ribbon cable coming from here. So we will take this one right off and unplug it. Next, you'll see four screws or maybe two screws holding this circuit board together. You'll want to remove this one here and this one here. There's also two locations here, but you'll want to remove these two here. So after we've done that, we'll want to kind of just gently take this off from there, just like that. And you'll see that the ribbon cable is coming from this keypad here. And so we will want to replace this with our Insync Engineering keypad. A lot of these are weathered out, and a usual problem people see coming from these keypads is that they don't feel like the buttons are pressing in, which is a clear indication that you may need a new keypad. So how we want to take this off is by using a screwdriver, and we want to get right under there, just like that, and you'll want to peel it off. If you're having troubles taking off your old keypad because it's leaving too much residue, you may want to heat it up and then try again with a screwdriver, or if not, then let's just go ahead and take it off with the screwdriver here. The surface here may be sticky, so we will want to clean it with rubbing alcohol or a degreaser. That way the new one can adhere easily. So as you can see, the ribbon cable is coming from the back. So when installing the new keypad, you'll want to feed the cable first, and then taking off the backing, of course, so it can adhere properly. Before installing this product, we strongly recommend not to press on the buttons. And even when you're sticking the product onto this plastic piece, we would just like to go around, touch the whole surface, but do not press the buttons. And we would like to, of course, line up the holes to this corresponding lights in the back. As you can see, we have fed our ribbon cable through the back as well, and we are all set to go here. So we will turn this around here, and we will grab our circuit board. We will place it in these holes here. Just place it right where it goes first down here. Then it should line up just like that. then this piece will be hanging. We don't want to touch any of the components here. We just want to touch the ribbon, and it should snap in just like that. After we're all done, then we will work our way backwards. So we will install these 2 screws, and we will plug this right back in. So after you're done plugging in and your 2 screws are in, we'll want to use our backing and place it where it goes, just like that. And we will screw it right back in where it belongs with these 2 screws, here and here. After we're done with that, of course, we will make sure that everything lines up, and you can see the screen there. Just a double check. And we will move to the heater. After you're done assembling, you'll want to go back to your heater and make sure there's still no power running through it. At this point, you'll want to plug everything back into your locations here. Then you'll be turning this around, of course, and putting it back onto the black panel we talked about. And put it into these 4 locations, bolt it back in, and use the black panel to bolt it back into the heater in those 2 locations.